You know, it's almost cheating. You throw an American flag up on your truck, and then you go and drive up into some of America's most majestic mountains, and then the sun starts to set while you're on top, right behind you. He's not gonna roll. He's not gonna roll. It's fine. Yeah, go back and do it. Hey, keep coming left. This tire is about to hit the ground, okay? And once it does, I'm gonna straighten you out. All right. Weston's out here using Starlink. Weston's been working from remotely. He's got little purple spots around his eyes though, like he's been camping for 2 weeks. I already opened a beer. I just couldn't wait, you know? Twist this. I don't feel anything.
Push it in and twist it. There you go.
There we go. Hey. Oh, you got me. Dude, I got you on camera.
Saddest day in the life of a YouTube influencer.
I don't know where this life will take me. I just know I'm here for the ride. Baby, there ain't no sense in waiting. Yeah, we don't know if we got the time.
Little cabin up there. Like, who would stay up there, man? It's like winter 10 months out of the year. It must have been like a not permanent thing. Like someone just lived up there sometimes. Lily! Lily!
Was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots. Maybe I'll end up in the city, underneath all the flashing lights.
It's a lot of cement, which makes me think that it's not super old. And then you have these huge wooden studs, some sort of chute down there with a brick. Who knows? I have no idea what I'm talking about. But then you got this stuff. I mean, this looks like some sort of, like it hangs from some sort of thing, and then maybe you put goods in there.
Big boy.
Cool phone.
You look really majestic standing on that ledge, looking out in the distance. The sun was hitting your hair.
Yeah, with my, I'm telling you, the hair, man.
Yeah, the American flag right there.
You can't even see your eyes.
Cool shots with the flag like floating in the wind.
Did you? Dude, the flag like is so cinematic, dude. Nothing more cinematic than an American flag.
Scooty Scoot. Yep. Yeah, Oren's got his American flag on his truck now. Bigger tires. I got you, don't worry.
Scoot! I look good, dude.
Too easy.
Too easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know what I'm saying one time now?
Dude, you're like falling up the stairs. Things. My transmission is trying to stay in a higher gear than I should be. So I put it in the L setting where you can manually do your gearing. Yeah, where you can manually do your gearing, so that way it stayed in first gear the whole time.
Yeah.
And I noticed I just had plenty of power coming up now.
Okay.
Because last time I put it in drive, and I'm coming up here, and it'll be in third gear coming up in drive, and then I'll hit the obstacle, and then it won't downshift. It'll keep.
Second or third.
Yeah.
First.
Yeah, exactly. So I. Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Oh.
That's good. Lockers are great.
So,
I had it open, and like obviously the wheels are just spinning. Flip both of them on and just coasted right out.
oh, you just put both of them on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just put both of them on, just climb right up. Makes it easy.
It is easy, dude. So, should I come up it again?
Dude, we need to get up and around before the sun sets, because I bet it's beautiful.
Yeah, maybe we should just get up there then.
Yeah.
I'll find a different cover photo.
We'll find it. It'll be here at the top.
It'll be up at the top. Yeah, we'll do it up at the top. So it's hard to let someone else down, but it's a lot easier to let yourself down. You know, you say, well, I'm going to get up at 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to go do that bike ride at Garden of the Gods. I'm going to watch the sunrise, make coffee. I'm going to have all this extra time before work. But then in the morning when it's time to get up, it's so easy to hit the snooze button and keep hitting it, and then you get up a little late, and now you don't have time for all that. And you almost live with that regret subconsciously. You're not really thinking about it necessarily throughout the day, but it's like, you know, you said you were going to do this, and you know that's what you wanted to do, and then you didn't do it. And then that same thing happens multiple times throughout the day. You said you were going to do this in your head. You said you were going to go to the gym at this time. You said you were going to hit that exercise, and you cut yourself short over and over and over again. And it's almost like you start to, it's like your body knows. Your body knows what you were doing, that you let yourself down. So, I don't know, it's something I've been thinking about a lot lately. Made it to the top. I don't know what these stickers are all about. I don't really care if they're on the post, but like sometimes people are putting them on the sign. It's like, don't put them on the sign. Just leave them on the post. Sun's starting to go down. I'm a little worried about time. It's all dark down there. That's where we're heading. My gosh, dude, you're so cool. You're like the coolest guy I know. Look at you. Don't worry, it's not slow-mo. You don't have to pretend. You should just talk. Just stop.
That's what I was doing. I was
Talk
like,
instead. Gosh, dude, it's weird coming up here with there's no snow. It's like, oh, so much better.
Less stress.
What a nightmare that was, dude. All the way, yeah, this whole thing was just a nightmare coming up here.
Saturday, we went back to 3 different
San Juan's my favorite. My favorite place in Colorado.
I thought you had a tire off the ground, but you don't.
I like full force smack, like knocked the wind out of me.
Oh, man.
I was like flat on the ground.
I wondered if you were like recording something, like you guys right behind me.
Yeah, it felt pretty bad.
Yeah, I think
Whoa. This is a little tippy spot. We're just trying to find a camping spot. This is like a little shoot off of Imogene. Yeah, you can't tell on camera at all, but it's really tippy.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Now straighten it out. Now a little bit this way.
Dude, I think he'd be better with his tire all the way over on the side.
I would prefer that.
To be honest. Now that I'm looking at it the way it is. Have him cut left. Yep. Yep. It's okay. No, left. Keep him left. Yep. It's just very slow.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
He's not gonna roll. He's not gonna roll.
Well, at
It's
least
fine.
like counterbalance.
Yeah, go back and do it.
I'm gonna counterbalance you.
Hey, keep coming left. This tire is about to hit the ground, okay? And once it does, I'm gonna straighten you out. All right. That tire's not off the ground, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now, straighten out a little bit. Nah, never mind. Never mind. Keep coming. Coming. There it is. It's starting to level out. Yep, straighten out. That's good. Straight. Nice. Yeah, you're good now. Dude, you were nervous. I kept telling you to go. I was like, dude, you go. You're good. You're like, you're like, I don't want to go.
Dude, you had this much tread left touching on the back tire, and I was like, come on!
All right, let's go back.
You go back in reverse now.
Yeah, you gonna be able to do it?
Yeah,
Because you're leading the way.
Yeah, dude.
It's pretty easy going back down.
Yeah, for sure. You know, I'm not,
Yeah.
not like, where's it off?
For sure.
I hate the Tippy, dude. Like, I'll go up something all day long, but as soon as I get sideways, I get nervous.
Yeah, well, luckily there were trees there, so like you wouldn't have rolled off.
Yeah, no,
But
still, it's scary regardless.
yeah,
But,
it feels worse when you're inside.
yeah.
Like when you're the guy inside, it feels a lot more tippy than it does to me on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, the camera's not going to show it either. It's going to look even worse on the like. Yeah, like you don't know. All right, well let's back out of here, I guess. All of this just to find a place to camp. Bunch of stuff.